Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sarite. In this tutorial, we're going to explain to you what size cording tunnel or cording foot you need for your piping application.
A cording foot is attached to your sewing machine, and it has a special tunnel that accommodates piping or welting, as you can see here. That tunnel allows you to sew very closely to your piping cord. The cording foot may be available in a variety of sizes to accommodate different thicknesses of piping assemblies. Which size cording foot should you use for your sewing project? Best practice is to measure the piping cord with the choice fabric encasing the piping cord. Measuring the cording with its fabric cover, it should equal or be a little less than the foot's tunnel's size. You can use this chart to determine the appropriate tunnel size for the piping thickness, including its cover that encases it. Let's demonstrate why using the correct cording foot is important for professional results.
When I'm sewing my piping, the first stitch, I would like it to be a little bit away from that cording because I don't want it to show up when I put my final stitch in. So I can sometimes cant the material over that way a little bit to keep that stitch a little further from the piping. So the idea here is you don't want this stitch to show up when you put this onto your assembly. You want the final stitch to be inside of this where my fingernail is. So now when I'm sewing my piping to my assembly, I try to keep the stitch as close to the piping as possible. And even if it goes into the piping a little bit, that's good because this stitch will hide the first stitch.
The additional 2 plates of added material make the assembly larger than the tunnel, but this just forces the final stitch to be tighter to the piping, hiding the first stitch.
So when we open it up, you can see, even though we used a white thread, which I don't recommend, I recommend coordinating it, you can't see that white thread anywhere. So that is a perfect piping application.
If you're sewing large cording assemblies and there are no cording feet available in the size that you need, then you can consider using a roping zipper foot instead. It actually works fairly well.